Welcome to the second episode for Ortigas Land. Today, we will take a look at Empress, a 56-story luxury residential tower situated right in front of Capitol Commons Park. It is equipped with smart home features and a digital front door lock set. It is now at pre-selling stage with a studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 3-bedroom bi-level, and penthouse units to choose from. Let's take a look at this stunning project with our property specialist. Hello, house hunters. Thank you so much for joining us here once again. And of course, thank you to Miss Zanja. Again, this is your Ate V. Today, we are standing right in front of the entryway of the 1-bedroom showroom of the Empress Tower here at Capitol Commons. But before entering to the unit, as you can see here, we have a layout board that actually shows everything, all the details that you expect inside the 1-bedroom unit. So you have here the foyer, the living, dining, kitchen, bedroom, hallway, T&B, utility room, and balcony. So that's what we're going to check inside. Shall we go in?
Wow, finally. Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, this is so stunning.
I like this unit. I feel like I just want to lie down on the sofa and relax.
Look at this space. And so this is the foyer, and this one has a bench that also has storage right here.
Let's see the kitchen here. Very nice modular cabinet. And of course, a stove, induction stove. The really nice natural stone countertop.
And our fixture here, they use Hans Grohe, and of course our natural stone countertops here with our sink and then our splashboard wall. And of course, if you're looking once again for some modular storages, they have a lot here. So from the cupboard itself, it's all soft closing. And in fact, they made it so ready for you. They have a space here dedicated for the microwave oven.
So there's a lot of storage and space here. Of course, this is what I like about in the kitchen. So we call this kitchen a U-shaped countertop, wherein you can entertain your guest here or your family while you're eating in this dining area here. Really nice.
Okay, now let's move on to the best part, which is this unit is already using the latest technology for smart home system. So take a look. Okay, above here is our control panel. Okay, this one you can use as your intercom, like when the concierge or the information desk would call you, you can actually see, okay, this is a window where you can see the person visiting you or the person calling you. And this one also controls, this panel controls all the switches and the locks inside your unit. We also have here switches for your, actually they're touch screen switches for all the lightings here. And we also have here a room temperature detector. What does it mean? This is going to make your life a lot easier because the system, you can definitely download it in your smartphone. And after a long day from office, you can just control everything, especially your ACs. So when you come in, this unit is going to be so ready for you. All right, so let's move on to the dining area. Our dining area here, okay, by the way, they are using, you can say, modern Scandinavian inspired interiors here. So you can see our dining here, 4-seater dining set is made of wood with all this craftsmanship, and it's really, really nice, so ready for you. And the color palette that they use, it's all pastel, so it makes this place really much bigger than it is.
And of course, with this huge sofa here, while watching these favorite movies of yours or TV channel. By the way, all of this electronics and even your outlet can be controlled remotely through your app. It's called Home Features, Smart Home Features. Even the locks on the main door, you can actually just use the barcode. Isn't that amazing and cool? This is pretty much for millennial, I would say.
And by the way, okay, I love this detail. I want to touch it. Wait a minute. This one. Oh, I love the capiz. This is actually capiz. You know, it's like a capiz panel accent on the wall, and it's really beautiful. And they also have here a lot of storages under here, the cabinets there. You can actually open it. And our television. And this one is a wow. It's floor to ceiling, glass windows. So you can just imagine when you're here, just going to part the beautiful drapes here and then allow the natural light to come in.
And of course, the balcony, just right in your living room. Huge balcony with a really nice quality window, a glass, and a double glazed glass with this really good quality frame window, and even the door.
Hi! There is your balcony. All the units of Empress would, you know, have this luxury of a lot of spaces, like, you know, the balconies here, because not all developments would, you know, give you that kind of breathing area. So what do I mean? Empress is really very impressive.
Let's go check out the bedroom. Wow, really nice. With all these smart features, you can just turn on and off manually here. Look at that, it's all digital.
Can I sleep here? Oh my goodness, this is so perfect. And how would you like to wake up to this breakfast tray right here? So this is really beautiful, no? Like this unit can really fit a full-size, queen-size bed. And again, they use this capiz accent to the wall, and they use it as like the headboard of this entire back wall of your bed.
You can increase the illumination or decrease them. And also with that smart feature, see, you check that TV. Yeah, state-of-the-art smart features.
Since this is a showroom, so this is highly modified. So when you say highly modified, everything that you see is really like an add-on. They also use here, you know, a lot of beautiful wallpaper to really make it, you know, more stunning. And a lot of closets for this bedroom. Look at that. Did you notice? They also have this closet LED lights. And this one turns on every time that you open your closet. So even if all the lights are turned off, so you can still see what you're looking for inside that cabinet.
Will be really, really good for millennials, wherein, you know, they're all fast-paced, everything is under their control, just on their phone. Let's check out the toilet and bath. Wow, nice. I could live here.
So they have here really nice, what is this? Okay, Duravet. So that is the brand that they use for their water closet. And also from your toilet area, you have this huge window that really gives you that natural light when you are going to come and operate this area here. Also in your bathroom, you have this very nice half-closed, okay, glass enclosure bathroom. And of course, the luxurious built-in bathroom bench with this rain and handheld shower set. And by the way guys, sandali lang, ang aking trivia today. I don't know if you guys are keen to the details of your bathroom, but I think lahat ng bathrooms may mga ganito eh. Yung hole on the wall. Okay, where you put, normally dun mo nakikita yung shampoos, conditioners, and the, you know, the soap perhaps. So, that one has a name. And yung pangalan niyan ay niche. Niche. So the spelling is N-I-C-H-E. It's pronounced as niche. So now, may bago na naman kayong alam. The last time was water closet. So that was water closet. Hindi lang yan siya toilet bowl or anything, but this one is a water closet and this one is a niche. So wag niyong kalimutan, niche. Alright, so moving on here, our lavatory is really nice. And then again, they're using Hans Grohe, yun, Grohe fixture for here also. And another beautiful roomy storage underneath your lavatory with a real nice Scandinavian mirror too.
And there's actually an access. There's actually two doors from here and also here, going out towards the dining area and the kitchen as well. Really nice, nicely done.
All right. So this toilet here actually has two doors. The other one is coming from the living room. The other one is coming from the bedroom. So that's why it's still called ensuite. But this one can also be used since it's just a one bedroom with one toilet and bath. So they use this also as a common toilet. But before you can reach the door to the toilet and bath, we have this a little anteroom that connects to the utility room.
Space here for your laundry and cabinets. And you can put your clothes here as well.
And probably put a little bit of hanger here so you can hang everything that you want to hang there.
Wow! Isn't that amazing? For a one-bedroom unit like this, it looks so big. I thought it was a two-bedroom unit, but it's actually not. I would say this is about 67 square meter for one-bedroom unit here in Capitol Commons. Empress is the tower. It's the name of the tower. So, if you're looking for an investment which is going to be more attractive to foreigners and expats who would be looking for a very accessible location wherein there's going to be a subway just next door or just across the street, this is the perfect place.
So I think we're done for now for this one bedroom suite, and then later on we're going to show you on our next viewing, we're going to show you the two bedroom unit of the Empress again.